Pulse jet dust collectors. Types, uses, and features. This video takes an in-depth look at jet dust collectors. You will learn more about topics such as what is a pulse jet dust collector, how pulse jet dust collectors work, types of pulse jet dust collectors, types of pulse jet dust collector filters, and much more. Chapter 1: Understanding Pulse Jet Dust Collectors. Chapter 2: What are the different types of pulse jet dust collectors? Pulse jet dust collector types. Cylindrical pulse jet dust collectors. Offline system pulse jet dust collectors. Modular pulse jet dust collectors. Airbox style pulse jet dust collectors. Cartridge pulse jet dust collectors. Bin vent pulse jet dust collectors. Fume style pulse jet dust collectors. How to select the right pulse jet dust collector. Chapter 3: What are the different types of filters used in pulse jet dust collectors? Cartridge systems. Bag filters. High-temperature filters. Materials used to make pulse jet bag filters. Fiberglass filters. Teflon, PTFE filters. Polyphenylene sulfide filter. Aramid filters. Polypropylene filters. Polyester filters. Acrylic filter bags. Holding bag filters in place. Frequently asked questions. What is a pulse jet dust collector and how does it work? What types of filters are used in pulse jet dust collectors? How do different pulse jet dust collector types address various industrial needs? What factors should I consider when selecting a pulse jet dust collector? What makes high-temperature pulse jet filters suitable for environments like foundries and asphalt plants? Why is supporting filter bags with wire cages important? Chapter 4. How pulse jet dust collectors work. Workings of pulse jet dust collectors. Dust collector inlet. Airflow. Bag filters. Dust collector outlet. Pulse jet valve. Differential pressure sensor. Dust collector venturi. Chapter 5. What are the benefits of pulse jet dust collectors? Pulse jet dust collector benefits. Collector efficiency. Pulse jet dust collector safety. Increased productivity. Adherence to regulations. Air quality index for ozone levels and particulate pollution. Improved product quality. Collector customization. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right pulse jet dust collector manufacturers for your needs.